Jason, how was your weekend? Toys. I'm a bus Easter. Ew.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday. I'm going on the road now to the toy shop because it's Christmas around the corner. I'm gonna get some toys for my nieces and my nephews. Come with me. As you know, Christmas is around the corner, so I have to go to the toy store to get some toys for my nieces and my nephews because I'm seeing them in December. So let's go. Sorry for the noise. This is London. There's always a siren going on somewhere. I'm just waiting for a bus. As I said, we're going to Smyths Toy Store. The sun is sunny today. Yeah, I look so orange. I've got no makeup on, but I really look orange. Come to that. I posted a new vlog yesterday about my, and again, for the new vlog that I put up for my white sauce, I'm really sorry for the way it comes out, like too bright. I changed the settings on my phone and that's how it shows up, so I didn't know it was gonna be like that and it was too late to change it. So I hope you could get to see something. I won't use the setting anymore. See the sun? It's not hot, it's a bit of a heat, but it's not boiling and it's nice and cool. It's breezy as well. And I get another siren. Since we got here, it's about 2 sirens. The hospital, that's where you go. New General Hospital. This is Master Fire Station. Galleon's Reach. It's a long walk, but I need to start from down there. There's a shop here. Naked chips. You know what it tastes? Naked chips. Right, you are. Let's go. Oh, it's very windy. Gosh. To keep me out from my head. I need to get some Christmas cards as well. When I'm coming back, I'll stop there. So, ooh, the leopard prints are out. There's some nice skirts in the window. German kebab. Shop, that must be nice. Magdalene is open over here as well. And my shop is all the way down there, so I've been there for a very long time. And I saw a Tesco, big and proud. What are you saying, Mr. Wall? Oh, this is Sports Direct. So this is where I'm going. I'm not sure if you can video in there, but I'm gonna try. Oh, we have to have a pound. Another basket. So another basket. Welcome to Smyths Toy Store. Check out all the toys. Toys for days. Toys. Lots and lots of toys. Lots and lots of toys. So listen. Lots of toys. Toys and coloring books. Yeah. So I tell you what, as you can see all the toys in here. I'm gonna have to leave you here so I can carry on with my shopping, because if I show, oh, there's the puzzles. If I show you what I want to get, then it won't be a surprise. So I think, look at these toys. They're as big as me. So we're in Smyths Toy Store. I'm trying to pick up some toys. Dollies and all that stuff. Here's the dolly section. Here are the dolly sections. These are the dollies. The little girlies who likes the dollies. Alright. Toys on both sides. I don't know if this is going to be a voice-over because it's... Oh my gosh, look at all these toys. I don't know which one she wants. I'm in the section trying to find boy toys. This is £8. But I swear if I get this, there's only two colors. Oh wait, well, there's some nice little shops over here. There's a donut shop. So I'm leaving Brighton and I have more. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I went into Smyths Toy Store and I bought loads of toys for the kiddies. So hi guys, so here are some of the toys that I picked up at Smyths yesterday. That's a big bag. I'm taking it next time I'm going down there. £1.50. What a joke for this little bag. So these are some of the toys. I keep it away. Some mostly boy toys, like, because I have more nephews than nieces. Soldier in the camp. So yeah, I have some books here and a whole lot of little toys for them. Obviously it's Christmas, so you know everybody's gonna want to say, oh, where's my present? So I bought some little toys. So I'm gonna get some more because I have nieces as well. So this is just like mostly boy toys, the trucks and the bikes and things like that for children. So pretty much these books are very good because look at it. If you're interested in getting these for your children, look, wow, so much stickers in there. See that? So much stickers. So if they're good, they get a sticker. If they're naughty or whatever you want to do with them, but yeah, this is good. It's a good thing for making kids do their chores, do their homework, brush their teeth, clean their shoes. They get a sticker. You're a good girl, you're a good boy. So these books are really good. And obviously it's Paw Patrol. All the little kiddies, they love their Paw Patrol, don't they? So yeah, so that's what I got. And these are not cheap, you know. Listen, I'm glad mine's is all grown up. Got these little toys, as little as they be, they are not cheap. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a few more and then that's it. So Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget if you... Oh, hold on a second. Getting back, I bought this as well. A toy that's making the noise. So I need to turn that off because it's making too much noise. But yeah, I picked this up as well. It's like a family game for the family, but gotta guess the age 3+. But yeah, it's a game, a Christmas game, so everybody can take part in that Christmas game. So pretty much that's all I got. So let me just show you what I got. Yeah, and I hope you start getting up your toys ready for the kiddies for Christmas. And yeah, I mean, toys are really expensive. I forgot how expensive they were, but they are. Okay then, have a great evening. Bye.